positron emission tomography. So they're quite invasive, and they had a hazard, and they weren't very suitable for children. But the coming of methods that let us investigate the brains of children had a big impact, and I will just show you briefly some of the results that we've learned about the brain in this disorder of attention deficit hyperactivity. These pictures are the side view of the brain in magnetic resonance imaging. This is the top view looking down, and this is the front view looking head on. And magnetic resonance imaging is non-invasive. It's passing radio waves through the brain. It's modulating them with a strong magnetic field, the same kind of effect as if in the car radio is going under unshielded power lines, and there's a crackling interference. But the nature of that interference is determined by the local magnetism within the brain. And so each molecule of water with the hydrogen-oxygen bond is itself a tiny magnet. So you can visualize the fluctuations in magnetic field over the brain. And as a result, this is a picture of the distribution of water in the brain. So you see the denser grey matter of the nerve cells and the whiter matter of the insulation, the myelin in the brain. And what I've painted onto it are the areas which in 14 different studies of ADHD, comparing teenagers and young adults with ADHD, with controls, those areas which are different in size. And the differences come especially in the colour just shows the size of the effect. And the colour in the frontal lobes is illustrating a moderate sized effect